Business credit cards can be a powerful tool for companies seeking to build their credit profile while managing expenses effectively. These cards allow businesses to separate personal and business expenses, which simplifies accounting and reduces the risk of personal liability. Many business credit cards also offer rewards, such as cashback, travel points, or discounts on services like office supplies and shipping, providing valuable savings for companies. One key benefit is that responsible use of a business credit card helps establish a company's creditworthiness. By making timely payments and managing credit limits, businesses can build a solid credit score. This, in turn, opens up opportunities for larger lines of credit, better loan terms, and other financing options, which are essential for growth. Before applying for a business credit card, it's important to assess your company's specific needs. Some cards may be better suited for travel-heavy businesses due to higher reward rates on airfare or hotels, while others might offer better cashback options on everyday purchases like fuel or supplies. Additionally, paying attention to fees such as annual charges or foreign transaction fees can help ensure that the card adds value without unnecessary costs. Building business credit through the responsible use of a business credit card is a gradual process, but it lays the foundation for financial flexibility and long-term growth.